Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Indices. If 8 to the power 5 by 3 into 4 to the power minus 4 by 5 is equal to 2 to the power x, then find the value of x. Now in step 1, we evaluate the left hand side, that the value of the expression 8 to the power 5 by 3 into 4 to the power minus 4 by 5. So we can write the left hand side as 8 by 5 to the power 3 into 4 to the power minus 4 by 5 as shown in step 2. We get 8, you can write 2 to the power 3. So 8 to the power 5 by 3 becomes 2 to the power 3 to the power 5 by 3. Similarly, the second part 4 you can write as 2 square. So you get 2 to the power 4 to the power minus 4 by 5 you can write as 2 to the power 2 into minus to the power minus 4 by 5. So in step 3 you get the left hand side expression value as 2 to the power 3 into 5 by 3. So that makes 2 to the power 5. Similarly, the next part gives you 2 to the power 2 into minus 4 by 5. So that gives you 2 to the power minus 8 by 5. So from this you get in the step 4 the value as 2 to the power 5 plus minus 8 by 5. That gives you 5 minus 8 by 5. So the value of the left hand side becomes to 2 to the power 17 by 5, because the value of 5, the value of 5 minus 8 by 5 is equal to 17 by 5. So you get the value 2 to the power 17 by 5. So 2 to the power 17 by 5 is equal to 2 to the power x as per problem given. So the inequality, as the base is same 2 in both the side, so the index must be equal. That means x must be 17 by 5. Indices. Find the value of a to the power m by a to the power n, the whole thing to the power m plus n, into a to the power n by a to the power l, the whole thing to the power n plus l, into a to the power l by a to the power m, the whole thing to the power l plus m. So you can write the expression. Now compute the inside portion of the bracket. So a to the power m by a to the power n is a to the power m minus n. So you get the first part a to the power m minus n to the power m plus n. Similarly, the middle part a to the power n by a to the power l you can write as a to the power n minus l to the power n plus l. And at the last part, in the same way, a to the power l by a to the power m is a to the power l minus m to the power l plus n. So in the next step, step 2, you multiply the indices. So you get a to the power m minus n into a to the power m plus n. The second part gives you a to the power n minus l into n plus l. In the third part you get a to the power l minus n into l plus m. So you know m minus n into m plus n is m square minus n square. Similarly, n minus l into n plus l is n square minus l square, and l minus m into l plus m is l square minus m square. So in step 3 you get the values a to the power m square minus n square into a to the power n square minus l square into a to the power l square minus m square. So now you can add up the indices. So if you add up the value of the indices m square minus n square plus n square minus l square plus l square minus m square, so you get the value of the indices, summation of the indices is 0. So in step 4 you can write the value of the expression as a to the power 0 is equal to 1. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.